How to contact your Lyft driver. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to contact the driver on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now simply request a ride on your phone. Just like this. And after you have requested a ride, open the app on your phone. Go to the ride details on the screen. If your ride is confirmed and the driver is on the way, you will see a map showing the driver's location. Tap on the driver's name or photo at the bottom of the screen to open ride details. Then tap to call or message icon. Tapping onto the phone icon, you can call your driver directly. You can also directly text through the Lyft in-app messaging. And simply use the call or message to clarify pickup location, update your ETA, or share special instructions. And that's it. This is how you can contact your Lyft driver. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.